Hi, this is Audra James at AudraAnikaJames.com. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about being an Amazon affiliate. I've actually gotten a couple of questions about this, so I wanted to tell everybody a little bit about what I do and how I do it and why it's so cool to be an Amazon affiliate. Well, if you don't know what an affiliate is, first of all, literally it means that you are given permission to sell something for somebody else and you get a commission for it. Now, most people call that salespeople, right? But in the online world, they call it an affiliate program. And in an affiliate program, you can get special links. There's usually ways to keep track of your sales, of what you sold and when. And you can get paid, and it can be quite lucrative. A lot of people are simply just affiliate marketers. But the Amazon affiliate program is cool because it's free. Sometimes you do have to pay for some affiliate programs, but for Amazon, it's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. It's super easy to sign up and join, super easy to get the links, and you can sell anything that Amazon sells, literally anything. Okay, which is fantastic. So if you're just beginning on this home-based journey, or you already have an idea for a business and you're just getting started, or you're new to online marketing, you might want to consider being an Amazon affiliate. First of all, you'll get to learn a lot about what being an affiliate is, and you get to promote things in so many different ways. And I'll do a demo and show you a little bit what that looks like. So remember that because it's free, any money that you earn, you can earn and put towards your business. Now, I am giving no income claims, okay? There are some people who probably make a ton of money as an Amazon affiliate, and then there's some people not so much, right? It'll completely depend on what you do and how you use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get online and I'm going to do a share and show you how to get started as an Amazon affiliate and the kinds of ways I use the affiliate program, and I'll give you some other thoughts and ideas too on how to become an affiliate completely for free. Awesome, right? All right, well, here we go. First of all, I'm on the Amazon site. I'm not signed in because I wanted to show you where you sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. If you scroll all the way down, you will see here, make money with us. Okay, now you can sell on Amazon as well. That is another way to make money. This is not about selling on Amazon, selling other products on Amazon. This is about becoming an affiliate. So you want to scroll all the way down to become an affiliate, and you click on this, and you can see you can join now for free. And they walk you through everything that you need to do. So I'm going to actually log in and show you what this looks like. And it's super easy. So let me go ahead and log into just Amazon.com. Let me just go back. I'm going to log into Amazon. And I want you to notice something. When I log into Amazon, the first thing I see is this stripe up here. This is your affiliate stripe. You get this when you become an affiliate, okay? Now, I said that you can promote literally anything. So I am going to pick something. Now, this is in Pumpkin Plan, this book, The Pumpkin Plan. Okay, a simple strategy to grow a remarkable business in any field. So if we look inside, we can see what the cover looks like, which is what I kind of wanted to show you. All right, so let's zoom out a little. A simple strategy to grow a remarkable business in any field, okay? This is if you want to promote and talk about how to do an online business, if you read this book or you just want to recommend it because you've heard it was recommended, you can. How do you do that? Literally, when you're on the same page that the product is on, you can click on the kind of product that you want to promote. In this case, it went straight to Kindle. So here we have the Kindle, and we have the Kindle price. And we go to get link. Now you can do just text. Okay, so here you go, and you got the short link. There's a full link, but it's so super long. I don't recommend that. I recommend the short link. And you can do just an image. So you can copy this image if you like and place it on your website, or you can do a text and an image, right? So it looks like this, and you can do things like have the link open in a new tab, show borders. So you have a couple of little options here. I mostly use the get text link, and I'm going to show you how I do this. We're going to go straight to my blog. This is my blog at audraanicajames.com, and I'm already at the resources page. And here I have resources to help you grow your business. I have some free stuff, and I have some business tools, some productivity, and then I have books that I have personally read and recommend. So here are the network marketing books, and here's the self-development. Long story short, what I did was I saw this particular picture. I saved the image as, so you can save the image as, right? And so here it is. And I'm not, but doesn't going to bother to show you any page. I can. So give me a second. I know where this image is. All right. And I think this is it. Let me just view. Yeah, here it is. There you go. Here's the image, right? You can take that image and you can put it on your website and then see how all of my images, if you look at the very bottom right-hand part of the screen, you'll see my images turn into links. So if I click on it, it goes straight to the product and my affiliate ID is attached to it. And if someone buys this, now I recommend things that I actually have read. So it says here that I purchased it. So it's true, I promise. So if I recommend something and I read it, if I read something and I recommend it, that's when I put it on my site. But as you can see, it's super easy to add an image here. The other thing that I do is book reviews. So this is a blog post that I did, a book review on this book called The Power of Habit. So basically, I have the picture of the book. I talk about the book, I review it, and then I have links to it. So if I click on here, then here we go. You'll get to the actual Amazon page, and here is the book right here, okay, The Power of Habit. So I wanted to definitely show you those options. The other options that you have for Amazon is literally when you recommend something to somebody and you're having a regular conversation, and I'm not even talking about from a business perspective. I'm talking about you're chit-chatting with your friend and you're like, I love the Instapot. The Instapot's the best thing ever. So you know what? Let's go to Instant Pot. Let's go to all departments and let's look up Instant Pot. The Instant Pot's the best thing ever. How do I know? Because I personally have the Instant Pot. If you want the Instant Pot, I'm telling you. But anyway, here's the Instant Pot, right? So they're like, oh, where do you get that? And oh, I found it, blah, blah, you know, this and that and the other. Listen, I'll send you the link to it so you know exactly which one I have because they have different kinds, right? What do? You go, you get a text, you get the link, and pop, poof, you send it to your friend, okay? Now, if they buy that Instant Pot on Amazon, guess what? You get a commission. Now, I just also want to point out that one of the things that I say, if you go to my About Me, and also in part of the bottom of my blog post, I also write this blog may contain affiliate links. If you make a purchase, your cost will be the same, but I receive a small commission which helps support the blog. Thank you for keeping this blog alive, right? If you send someone a link, you can tell them that you're an affiliate. It's okay. Tell them you're not spending any money. Or you can say, if you don't mind, if you're going to purchase this, would you mind purchasing this with my affiliate link? I make a couple of cents and you don't pay anything extra. If you wanted to use this as a campaign to because you have a goal. Let's say you have a goal to go on vacation, or you have a goal to save money for the next semester of college, or whatever it may be, medical expenses. Instead of a GoFundMe, which, for really tragic situations works really well, but for other situations like I want to go on vacation, they might not be as popular. Of course, it depends on your circle, right? But you could use your Amazon affiliate links in order to actually go ahead and say, hey, here's the link to, Amazon. They can give you a link to the entire thing. If you click on this link, boom, anything that you order through Amazon, I get a small affiliate commission with, and I'm saving money for X, Y, and Z. That way people don't feel like they're just giving you money. They are purchasing what they would normally purchase. They're doing it online. And guess what? They're helping you out the same way. So this is a great way for you if you're trying to make some extra money to ask your friends. If you, let's just say you're in a bad strait, you lost your job, or you have this bill you have to pay, the car broke down, or you're behind on your car payment, whatever it is, this is a way that you can make money relatively quickly by just saying to people, hey, here's something that I recommend, here's the link. The other pieces is that I just want to tell you that the way that they pay you, you have to wait just a tiny little bit, and because they pay you on a certain schedule, and they only start to pay you when you've had a certain, I can't remember how much it is, but you have to have a certain amount that you've already earned before they'll start to make a payment. It's not a ton, but it might be something like $10 or something. Don't quote me on that, but look it up yourself. So I hope this helps in terms of how you can be an Amazon affiliate. As you can see, you can do it for free. You can do it in a variety of different ways, and it helps you. You will definitely find products congruent with your business. If you're in health and wellness, there are things. If you're into, things like cooking, health and wellness, an Instant Pot would be great to recommend for somebody who wants to eat healthy and quick, right? There's books that are, you could sell books, audible books. Let's just say that you're a mompreneur and you have a mommy blog and you have these tons of products that you want to recommend for what's really worked for your kids. Boom, click on the link, you get an affiliate with Amazon. People use it all the time, every day, and it could really be a help. Again, not giving you any income disclaimers. Your mileage may vary, but people do tend, if you promote it a lot, to make a little extra money on the side, and it could help you. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me at audraannikajames.com, and I would love it if you could please subscribe to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is awesome. It's got a lot of free tips and training, so you can get more about that here. And just so you know, some of the things I may recommend, I may be an affiliate for and may get a small commission, which helps fund my blog and my YouTube channel so that I can earn a little extra money and be able to do this and still offer you free value. So I hope this helped, and to your victory, and I hope you make some money today. Talk to you soon.